the impression from your customers so far? What kind of feedback have you gotten?
Well, we have people asking for it, so the best kind of feedback, I guess, that we can get. We had people waiting for it to come in this year, which was really nice and got us kind of excited for spring also. Are there any particular products that people are asking for, or is it just Coast of Maine overall? Coast of Maine overall, but we do get asked for the Castine raised bed mix, the Shoot It compost, and then the Stonington fertilizer. Those have been really good sellers for us so far.
That's awesome. So tell me a little bit about you. Tell me about why do you love working here?
My background's in sustainable agriculture, so I come from kind of a sustainability background, and that's really what Ellwood Thompson's is about, supporting local, supporting sustainable, and Coast of Maine feeds really well into that whole ethos and kind of our mission there. A lot of our farmers actually use the seed starting blend for their crops, so really it's just kind of full circle, cradle to grave type deal, really.
Because we're making products now that we can be local to in Pennsylvania.
Yep.
So that makes us feel better.
Yeah.
And the fact that nobody who comes here is going to be able to buy this product in a big box store, how does that impact?
Oh, that's huge for us, is kind of local small companies supporting local small companies. That's really what we're about, is supporting the mom and the pops and, you know, the family farmers and the first generation farmers, and really just looking out for the community as a whole.